Robin searching for justice. Hi kids, how are you? Today we are going to draw and color Robin from Teen Titans together. First of all, let's get our black crayon and draw Robin's outlines. First the face, then the hair, the mouth, and Robin's cool eyes. Now let's draw his body and arms. And finally, his legs and boots. Oh, he's got a cape too. What should we do now? Oh, that's right. It's time to color our drawing. Wow, I love this part. Let's start coloring Robin's face. The best color is skin color. Take it and color with me. And red for Robin's mouth. Now let's use black for Robin's hair. That's right, black. Kids, Robin has got a suit, but what color is it? Oh, red! That's right! Let's color it red. And let's use yellow for his belt and this part of his chest. Great job! Yellow! And now, let's use green for Robin's gloves, sleeves, and pants. That's right, green. Let's move on to his shoes. First, black, and then gray. That's it. First black, and then gray. Kids, look, look, look! Robin has a cool cape. Let's use brown for the inside of his cape. That's right, brown for the inside of his cape. And for the back of his cape, let's use dark brown. And finally, let's add some shadows. Ta-da! Great job! If you love drawing and coloring as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you later! Bye!